With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let us have a look at the question first of all. So the question here is, if 2 liters of 9.8% weight by weight H2SO4 for which the density is given as 1.5 grams per milliliter, solution is mixed with 3 liters of 1 molar KOH solution, right? Then the concentration of H plus if the solution is acidic, or the concentration of OH minus if the solution is basic in the final solution is, right? So here we have been given, so let us try and find out. So let us find out the reaction first of all. So we have been given H2SO4, right, when made to react with KOH, right? The product that we get is K2SO4, right, and we get water, right? Now to balance this reaction, we'll have to take 2 moles of KOH and 2 moles of water, right? So this is something that is forming. Now in this reaction, we need to find out the concentration of H plus or OH minus ion concentration according to the solution, that is if it is basic or acidic, right? So before we find out the concentration, first of all, let us have a look at the given things. So we have total volume of H2SO4 that is given to us as 2 liters, which means it will be 2000 ml, right? Now also the density is given as 1.5 grams per milliliter, which means that the mass of H2SO4 that we have is 2000 into 1.5, right? So density into volume is the mass. So this one will be equal to 3000 grams, right? Now also we have been provided here the weight percent of H2SO4 in solution, right? So we have been given weight percent of H2SO4 in a solution, and that is equal to 9.8%, right? So 9.8% means the mass of H2SO4 in solution, right, will be equal to, so it will be equal to 3000 into 9.8 upon 100, right, which means it will be 294 grams. Okay, now the molecular weight of H2SO4 is 98, so number of moles we can calculate. So number of moles is given mass upon the molar mass, right? So 294 upon 98, right, which means it will be 3 moles, right? So 3 moles of H2SO4 is something that we have, right? So number of moles of KOH that we have here. So KOH we have given as 3 liters and it is 1 molar, right? So number of moles will be equal to molarity into volume. So molarity is 1 and volume is 3, which means this is also we have as 3 moles, right? Now we already have written the reaction. So let me just rewrite the reaction once again. So we have H2SO4 when made to react with 2 moles of KOH. What do we get? We get K2SO4 and plus 2 moles of water. Okay, now here 2 moles of KOH will neutralize. It's very much clear that we need 2 moles for 1 mole of H2SO4, right? This is very much clear. So we have 3 moles of KOH, right? So it will neutralize 3 into 1 upon 2, which means half a mole of H2SO4, right? So the ratio is 2:1, which means if we have taken 3 moles of KOH, then we'll have to take 1.5 moles of H2SO4, right? So the remaining or unneutralized H2SO4 will be 1.5, right? Which means that the number of, so let me just write it down. So remaining H2SO4 here will be, so total we have 3 moles we have total, and we have used 1.5 moles, which means that 1.5 moles of H2SO4 is now remaining, right? That is unneutralized. that means that the number of moles of H plus ion that we are going to have here, right? So number of moles of H plus ion in the solution will be equal to 2 times of 1.5, right? So this is the remaining, and in 1 mole of H2SO4 we have 2 moles of H plus ion, right? Which means we have total of 3 moles of H plus ion that is in the solution. So the total volume that we have of the solution, and that is equal to 2 liters plus of 3 liters, which means we have total of 5 liters, right? So 2 liters we have H2SO4 and 3 liters we have KOH. So the concentration of H plus here will be 3 moles per 5 liters, which means it will be 3 upon 5, which means 0.6 molar, right? So this is the answer to the particular question. Now let us have a look at the question. So options. So we have 0. This is incorrect. We have 3 upon 10. We have 3 upon 5. Right? The correct answer will be 3 upon 5 molar. Right? So the correct option will be. So the correct option will be 3 upon 5 molar only. So this molar, we need to correct the option, so it is misprint. So this is 3 upon 5 molar, right? So this is the correct one. 2 upon 5 is incorrect, right? So 3 upon 5 molar, the third option is the correct one, right? So there is a misprint in the question. So this is how we can solve this question. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.